How to animate individual multiple elements on Canva. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can animate elements on Canva. So let's get into it. Now the first thing is you can make videos with Canva as well as presentations. So if you're making videos, you can understand how it's going to be pretty easy for you to make a animated pop, but in presentations it might be a bit more difficult. So how do you do that in presentations? Well, first off, we're just going to go on to the presentation section and you can choose what kind of presentation you want to create. So if you want to go with a basic presentation, there are several templates available, but we're going to start with a blank canvas on Canva, and I'm going to show you guys how you actually create animations with still items on Canva. So you can see on Canva's presentation templates, there are a lot of animated items added already, but if you had to do this yourself, what you're going to do is first off, open up your blank presentation. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to go onto the elements section, and let's just say we're doing a hi, welcome to our YouTube channel video. So first I'm going to click on text and I'm going to add some text to this fresh presentation like this one. Yeah, this looks good. Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize the text. Now I'm going to drag this at the center, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag it like this. I'm going to change the color to pink because I like pink. You guys know that already. But once you have added your little text, you can click on your text and you can click on these three dots. After that, you're going to see this animate section. And from here, you can add different animations. So you can make your text appear in these different ways, and all of these are free, but the ones with a crown at the bottom right are paid only, so you can only add those if you're paying for Canva, but the rest of them you can add for free on Canva. So like this, you can animate different items on Canva. So let's say I've animated this, but what if I add more elements onto this page? Well, it's very simple. Let's go into the elements section and start adding flowers to our presentation first page. So let's say I want to add this black flower, or actually I want to delete this. Say I want to add, let's find something a bit more fitting for our presentation. So if I was to add this, but I want to animate this as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add, first I'm going to set the position, then I'm just going to select the item, the next item I want to animate, and I'm going to click on animate over here. And now you can see there are different animations that I can add over here as well. And I can even edit it and change up the transparency of an item if my items are overlapping. So you can see over here, it's going to give me a preview of how both the text and the individual item is going to look like together. So you can see over here, this is how it's going to look. Now you can even add page animations as well, so I'm going to get to that in a second. So I like this pan and fading in text vibe. So once I have actually done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the animation for the text actually. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into animations and I'm going to go for a block animation like this. Then I'm going to add neon lines instead of this one. So I'm going to go for neon lines on the elements section. I'm just gonna use, now you can see over here Canva does have some moving animations like these already that you can add that are already animated, and you can further animate these as well if you want. So these kinds of movable images are also animated, so you don't have to worry about not being able to animate certain movable items. You can do that as well. So once I actually open up the presentation, it's gonna look like this. And I'm going to add some more lines over here. So I'll just expand this. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this, click on animation. Let's do a pan over here. Just like this. Now we have our first slide. After that, you can just click on add page. And you can start adding your second page. So let's just say we are doing how to lose weight. So let's add a few human image animations. So let's search for fitness. And we're going to go into the elements section, fitness. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this animation to this corner. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this horizontally. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on animate and I'm going to make a tumble animation on both of these. So once I have added my tumble animation, you can see how this is going to appear once I actually move it in presentation form. So if I go on present section, I can just click on present to see how my presentation is going to look with these animated items. So you can see this is how it's actually going to be looking like once I have actually made this my presentation. And it looks pretty good to me right now. So you're just going to move on forward and start adding your individual items and start animating them. It's pretty simple and easy. And if you want to add some more expensive animations, you can definitely upgrade to the premium version of Canva, which is not very expensive, and they do offer a 30-day free trial with this. There is a lot more you can do with Canva on their premium version, and I do find that it's definitely worth it for the animations that they have. So this neon, this pop animation, this different type of scrapbook animation, this stomp animation, all of this is available on the premium version. Now, after you have added your individual item animations, you can add paper animations as well, or the page animations. So you're just going to click on the page, and then you're going to click on animate over here. Now you want to make sure you're clicking on your entire page so you can see what kind of animation you want. So this is going to apply to your entire page. It's going to make your page have a cohesive look. So you can add any kind of animation or a rise animation, and this is something you can do to keep the overall look of your pages and all the animations look cohesive instead of being, you know, confused and all that. So just like that, you can add as many free elements as you like and animate them as you like. So if I just add more elements, I can just click on animate and I can make them appear how I want them to, like so. And now you can see how I have this presentation ready. So I'll just show you guys what it's going to look like once it is actually working. Like this. This is how it's going to look very cohesive if you apply a singular page animation to your entire page. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to animate individual items on Canva. So this is how easy it is to animate individual items on Canva. Now you can do this with any of your templates, and you can do this with as many templates as you want, and you can create as many animated designs as you want. That is the thing that I find the most useful. So you can actually even go back to your old designs. So if I go into my old designs and maybe I want to animate one of my designs, I find it to be boring. So you can access all of your designs from here. So you can access all of your designs from your design section, and what you're just going to do is once you pick out a design that you might want to edit, so let's say I want to edit this design that I have already created and I want to animate some of the items that I have. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to open it up, and once I open it up, you can see over here now I can just click on animate over here on the top, and I can make it appear like this. And let's say I want this to be typed out like so, and I want this to be on the row like this. So you can animate individual items in your previous designs as well, and I find this to be very useful with the autosave function on Canva because it allows you to change up your idea. So if I go back into this presentation that I have created, I can easily start editing one of the designs that I have already made. So if I maybe find this to be too animated, I can just start by deleting sections or just making sure that the animations at least fit the overall mood. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to create your own individual elements to be animated on Canva. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.